All right, welcome back to the Keystone Hiker. It's been quite some time since I've been out here. I decided to come up here to Loyalsock. I'm gonna hike up to Smith's Knob and then make a loop out of the Little Painter's Run there. It's gonna be a strenuous hike. It's gonna be a hot day, but I'm up for the challenge. It's been quite some time that I've been out here. A lot of things going on in my life, and I got them situated, and now I'm here to do my thing. But I'm glad to bring you along, and let's hit the trail. All right, we're off of kind of leaving the parking area right here on I think it's Little Bear Creek Road. We just crossed the way, and there's the familiar blazes for the Loyalsock. This is I think you start around 700 feet elevation and end up in about 1900 feet and some change. So it's about in between 11 and 1200 foot elevation gain. So it's going to be a good one. It's been a long time since I've been out here. As you cross over and come up, you'll see some information here. Okay. There are no maps, but I have some. I use my Purple Lizard maps, so. Let's see what's going on over here. This must be a state forestry building or something. There's a sign, and there's a blaze. Okay, I'm gonna get to moving here, and oh, here's the trail. Look at this. Somebody lost something there. All right, finally on trail. It's been a long time. Looks like there's a registry up here. Loyalsock has been very good to me in years past. Some of the stuff that you see in here is amazing. So what we're going to have today is we're going to have some views. I was trying to stay away from the water section of it because we haven't had a lot of water or a lot of rain up here in northeast Pennsylvania, so the creeks are now streams. So on the other half of that, as we come down, we'll be coming down Little Painter's Run, and it's supposed to be pretty nice. Hopefully there's some water flowing on it, but we'll see. At least we're out here. Supposed to be hazy, hot, and humid, but that's what part of it right here. All right, I'm gonna get my butt moving up the hill here and get back with you in a little bit. Thanks for joining me here again, Keystone Hiker. Okay, I came up over the first hill here. I figured I'd give you a little what we're going to do, what we're going to see. Should be I know 2 vistas for sure. There could be a third one. They're not the most spectacular views, but like I said, the water isn't, there ain't a lot of water up here right now, so I figured I'd come up here, and this is a place that I wanted to come anyhow, so win-win. I think there's one vista called Helen's Window. I think that'll be the first one, if I'm not mistaken, that we might come across. And then The main one will be Smith's Knob. That has a pretty nice one up there. So from what I've seen, so all in all, no matter what, it's going to be a good day. You can see some of the trail here. They really do a spectacular job up here with these trails, the Loyalsock. There are other ways that you can do this, but I chose the route I'm going to take, and I could change it. I don't know yet. I don't know what's going to happen yet, but we'll see. But for now, we're going on. And it's a steady climb at first there too. There's no switchbacks, and I don't believe there are any on this one. So we got something here. There's blue, it means there's a spur trail or possibly water down there, but I don't need any of that. All we got to do this, do have a vista here. And this one might be Helen's window. Yeah. Look at that. Pretty nice, huh? Helen's window. Well, Helen, very nice window you got here. Yeah, there's a little sign on that tree right there. I don't know if you can see it. But all right, nice little view here. All right, I'm gonna take a little break, get a swig of water. Stay with me, more to come. Thank you again for joining me here on the Keystone Hiker. All right, I figured I'd, looks like a half decent part of the trail log. I can give you some trail chatter here. Years ago, before my grandfather had passed, he told me something. Well, first of all, whenever I had problems and stuff like that, he'd be one of the guys I could talk to, one of the people, you know. And he told me something one time about thinking for having confidence in yourself to make the right choices. He said, do what you think is right. You know, it's something, maybe it doesn't sound at all glittery and everything like these other sayings, but if it hits you and you feel that, you know, you understand what that means. Do what you think is right. You know, have confidence in yourself to make the choice or make the change that you have to in life. Some people throughout, you know, United States or wherever else always want to be in part of a clique. You know, especially these younger kids, high schoolers, college students, whatever, and always have to follow people. You know, they don't make maybe the decisions they would if they were thinking for themselves or had the confidence to think for themselves. But if you're one of those people, you just try it out once in a while. You know, make a decision, make plans, and feel confidence in yourself to make the right choices. The right choices, you know, for you or your family or whatever the choice is. You know, it might some people might not like your choice, you know, but the choice is yours, and no one can take that away from you. Okay, there's some trail chatter. As we go along here, this is a really nice part of the trail, so I'm gonna click these off here for a minute and kind of enjoy it. It's been a while. All right, thanks for joining me again. what's going on here, but come here, young. Come here. Good stuff. Good stuff. See ya. Take it easy. Alright, looks like I reached a vista. That deer is following me. That's the first time that ever happened. Well, no, second time. Ricketts Glen I was at one time, and a buck was actually charged me. Oh man, look at this. Look at this beautiful picture. Yep. Beautiful. Fabulous. Smith's Knob. Alright, we made it down here to Painter's Run. I'm going to just take it down through here and just let you listen a bit. It's not a lot of water in it, but take a listen. Alright, we reached the end of the hike. Pretty good day, pretty good hike, good elevation, nice view at the top, and that deer, I'm trying to remember, I think there was one other time that I had that happen to me, man, when I was this big, up at Ricketts Glen State Park. That was pretty cool. The first time I've been out for a long time, and it was well needed. Painter's Run, it's usually more water in here and got some water crossings. I mean, I'm not done quite yet, but it's dry up here, so it's still popping a little bit here and there with the sunshine and stuff, as you can see there. But it's time for the words of wisdom. Again, hope to help somebody, and if you listen, maybe it'll kick you in gear. The world isn't changed by your opinion, it's changed by your actions. Those are the words of wisdom. And again, thank you all for joining me. Comment, tell me what you think about them. And always remember, get off your seat and move your feet. Thanks again.